Welcome to MJC Learning. Students, today we are going to see about instruments of money market. So let's proceed. The first instrument of money market is call money and notice money. Let us see the meaning of this. Call money is for a short period of time. See here, it's for a short period of time, repayable on demand. Whenever it is asked, it has to be given. So, with a maturity period of 1 day to 15 days, used by bank from one bank to the other bank. So, call money is for a short period of time and it is to be repaid back on maturity, that may be from 1 day to 15 days, and mostly used between banks. Interbanks means between two banks. So if we are giving the money for 1 day, it is called as call money. If it exceeds more than 1 day, then it is called as notice money. Suppose one bank is not having a required finance, it can ask from the other neighboring bank. Say for example, Dena Bank is giving the money for 1 day to Canara Bank, then it is called as call money. But if that same money is given for 10 days, then it is called as notice money. Second one of the securities instrument is treasury bill issued by the government, state government or central government. Treasury bill means it should be very clear in your mind, issued by the government, that is RBI will issue in the instruction of the state government or central government. So it is clearly mentioned, treasury bill means issued by government. Now this is for how many days or how many months? What is the period of this? It is 3 months, 6 months or 1 year maximum. So 91 days, it is 3 months, 6 months as well as 1 year, 364 days. Now this is a zero coupon security and pay no interest. See, no one will invest without any benefit. It's clear. No one will invest without any benefit. Now here, just see here, it's very clearly written zero coupon and it is issued for 91 days or 6 months or 1 year. Now just let me give you the example how the person is getting interest. Suppose my treasury bill is of rupees 100, face value, it's written on the bill itself 100. But when I am given, I am taking it for 98.2. How much it is for 100? 100 का है. मुझे कितने में मिल रहा है? 98.20 में. यानी 100 रुपया पूरा नहीं भरना है मुझे. ओके, 1 rupees 80 पैसे डिस्काउंट. But when I am getting my money back, I'll get 100 rupees full. That means 1.80 is my interest. So the return to the investment is difference between maturity value and face value. Face value is 100. Okay. And I am issued, given at 98.2. When company is returning back, I purchase for 98.2. I am getting back 100. So the difference is my interest. So treasury bill is issued at discount. Redeemed means returned. Redeemed at the face value. This is the face value which I am getting it back. Come, let's proceed to the third one. Trade bill or commercial bill, usually between the buyer and the seller when the sale is on credit. So it is also called as bills of exchange. Is also trade bill is also called as bills of exchange. Now just see here. Here I am showing you the bills of exchange. The bill which is here, the seller will be writing all the details, whatever goods purchased. Okay. So there is a bill. This bill is made by the seller for the buyer. The buyer will sign. So bills of exchange is also a trade bill. Now I showed you the bill that is called as trade bill. So here the buyer, whatever he is purchasing, all the values are written in a line. And this bill is valid for 90 days, means 3 months. Can be transferred easily. Now what is that transferred? Suppose the bill is with the seller and the seller feels 3 months I have to wait to get money and I require the money. He will go immediately to the bank and he will discount it. So he will get the money. The bank again, if the bank requires money, bank will again discount it to someone else. So it can be easily transferred from one seller to the bank to any other person. So when bills are accepted by commercial banks, it is. So why it is called as commercial bill? Because it is accepted by bank. You can go and discount it with bank. So it is called as commercial bill. It is used in business. So trade bill is also called as bills of exchange drawn by the seller on the buyer for the value of goods. It is for 90 days, can be transferred. Seller wants cash, he will go to the bank, discount it. It can be discounted any number of time. As banks are accepting it, so it is called as commercial bill. See here, this is the commercial bill which you can see. Seller is making a bill on the buyer for the value of goods purchased. All the values will be written here. Okay, and this bill will be then discounted with a bank. So this bill is also called as commercial bill. The next is certificate of deposit. This is very common. Here I have shown here that I have deposited with Bank of India some 5 lakhs rupees and I am getting an interest of 7.25. Now why I deposit? Because I am getting an interest. So this is the deposit receipt. So it is a receipt of fund deposited in a bank for a fixed period. I have deposited for 5 years. See here, it is deposited for a fixed period. So I have deposited for 5 years. How much I can deposit? 1 lakh or multiple. Now what is 1 lakh or 1 lakh? Multiple is 2 lakh, multiple 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5. But it will go in lakhs. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. So it is called as multiples. How much is the time period? 7 days to maximum 1 year. So 365 days also I can keep it as fixed deposit. This deposit can be done by individual companies, etc., etc. I just repeat, certificate of deposit is a deposit made in a bank or any of the big companies for a fixed period of time. The maximum amount is multiple of 1 lakh and it has to mention a specific period. कितने समय के लिए है? And minimum period is 7 days and maximum is 1 year. Who can get a certificate of deposit? Individuals and companies. The next is government securities are sold by the government, the semi-government or the local self-government. Now local self-government you can say BMC or municipality. Okay, the securities, everyone is ready to purchase this government securities. Reason what, if I invest in government company, then I am sure that I'll get my interest and I am sure that I'll get my principal. So there is a guarantee that you get your interest as well as your principal back. So it is a safe, these securities are safe. Why? Because it's the government security and there is a guarantee that you will get it back. The last point, repo you can say, or repurchase agreement. Now, a person who requires money, the seller is a company who requires money for running the company, or a bank who requires money for running the bank. Repo is an agreement with the seller of a security. Now, seller is a person who needs money, agrees to buy it from the lender at a high. So today if the company requires money, he will sell the security and he will tell the buyer that I will purchase the security back at a higher price. Suppose seller has sold today for 100 rupees. The seller says after 2 months I will purchase this back for 200 rupees. So The lender is ready to sell because he is getting a higher price. Now this repo rate you will find in banks, RBI and commercial bank. Agreement of repo rate is between RBI and commercial bank. Repo rate is a rate at which bank borrowers, whenever bank requires money, bank will go to RBI. So bank has to provide certain rate of interest, that is called repo rate. Now if RBI feels there is lot of money in the market, then RBI will start borrowing from the bank. So RBI uses repurchase agreement here. I said repo rate, reverse rate. The reverse rate is used by RBI in order to control the supply of money in the economy. If the RBI feels that there are a huge supply of money in the economy, RBI will increase the repo rate. Thereby, more of deposit is to be given by the bank to the RBI. When more of money is given from the bank to the RBI, the supply of money with the bank will be less, thereby reducing the supply in the economy. Yes. So this commercial instrument or whatever we have studied today, instruments, is very important because it can come in short note or filling the blanks. Short note for 5 marks, filling the blanks for 1 marks. Okay. Thank you.
मैं publish अभी